Hello, this is Saddlebags 73 in sunny Cornwall in the UK, and you're watching Motoramblings. Enjoy the ride.
And now we head down the mountain. I think that instead of stopping at Trust and taking a break, let's go over to Dave's 209. We'll grab a snack, grab a lunch or something, and then we'll do 209 into Hot Springs. Look at that old house.
Is there a way we can get down there?
There's a... well, no.
It's blocked off. There's a fence. You can hop in.
And then sharp turns on this road and going downhill.
Oh, yeah.
Which for some reason, well, I know why, the whole gravity thing, but I much prefer going uphill than downhill. Rather have control with the accelerator rather than the brake. Okay, they're stopping right in the middle of the road. What the hell?
They're looking at that chimney in the tree or something?
I guess. But jeez, people. So we're going to give these people a little bit of room. I came over the top of this one time. That van was covered with ice. So yeah, we went the river road into Marshall, Bailey's Branch, then we turned right on 63, and that's what we're on now, and it just comes to a dead end at 209.
Yeah.
As you know, 209 will go left over toward Clyde and Lake Junaluska, and it'll go...
I don't know if I've ever gone that far.
Yeah,
Pretty sure I've always just never gone to the store then.
Yeah, I rarely ever go that way. Oh, this guy's letting us go by. I'm going left, going around him. Debris. And real hard right turn.
I like that.
And then we got a fairly hard left turn, but look, you see some waterfall. I don't know if that's wet or just shaded. Nice little log cabin. So yeah, we Bailey's Branch 63, we're going to get on 209, we're going to stop at Dave's, and we're going to take 209 all the way into Hot Springs. You up for all that?
Yep.
Alright, how you feeling so far?
Pretty good.
Good.
I took a leave before that one muscle where when you pull it on your back it hurts to breathe.
Yeah.
That was killing me last night.
From, you know...
I don't know. It was just hurting yesterday. I don't know if I moved wrong or something. I just never noticed it until I went to lay down.
I'm gonna sound like every old guy. Wait till you get my age. Right now I don't have any aches and pains at the moment, surprisingly enough. Probably because I'm on a motorcycle. A favorite place to be, I guess. Your legs warm enough? Yeah, I noticed you didn't put on those pants I gave you.
Yeah.
Now, I have on my rain pants that I wear to work sometimes, you know, to help break the wind.
Yeah.
And they work pretty good. But I also put on my Bond Body Armor armored pants underneath my jeans.
Yeah.
And I think they make more of a difference than anything. Matter of fact, you can try these rain pant things on if you want, and I'll just...
Yeah, I mean, my legs aren't, like, freezing.
Oh, okay.
They're definitely, like, they're chilly. But it's not to the point where I'm, like, shaking and shivering because of it or anything like that.
Right.
So, it's tolerable and comfortable at the same time.
Okay. And as long as it's not affecting your ability to maneuver.
Nope.
Look at that deck right there over the water. That is so cool.
But they use that for their little party to get together.
I would.
Yep.
And then when we get down here near the bottom, just before we get to the bottom, I think they're rentals, but there's these little tiny, almost Hobbit-looking buildings. Like I said, that look like you can rent. Look at the donkey. Water flowing pretty good. Alright, well, we're almost at the bottom, so I'm going to shut the camera off again. Tell YouTube world, see ya.
Bye.